Hello there, this is John here. So this is the steps 26 to 37 of the Tamiya Audi Quattro on the TT-02 chassis. This is my rally car. So I followed these steps using the manual here, and I've installed these into the car as we speak now. Followed the steps for gluing the tyres. Follow the steps here for installing the receivers and the electronic speed controllers, and I've gone all the way through here, and the additional step that I've actually done is this step here on page 19, where I've actually installed the receiver box. And just to show you now into the car. And there you are. That's the car now. So I've managed to here use the receiver box. So the receiver's inside here, and I've managed to tuck all the wiring nicely into the box so it's all nice and neat and tidy. You then got your motor wiring going to the motor, because this is a brushed motor, and your wiring going to the battery pack. I've installed both the receiver box and the electronic speed controller on some 3M command strips. This will make it removable, so you can do the cleaning of the car, but also still tough enough to hold it all in place nice and secure. And I think the car looks really rather nice, and you can see there the discs at the back. So I've painted those silver and nice white wheels. There you go, really quite nice. And again, you can see the discs through the wheels, and they look rather nice. And the only thing I have left to do is the aerial tube for the receiver. That will go up to the front there when I do the bodywork. So just moving this around so you can see the other side. There we go. And again, as you can see, quite well thought out as usual with Tamiya. And again, nice wheels, battery in place, and the rear of the car. So I've actually got the body mounts in place here. Then they're there, and the front one's here. So the next step would be now to check out the body work and put the body in place and drill the holes for the body. My body I painted right at the very start of the build, so it had enough time to cure and harden. But as you can see, it's really nice and easy to build, and really quite good. It comes together really well. And, oh, just a bit blurry there, come out a little bit, and as you can see, there you are, plan view. So I have got a run to do to set up the car, set up the steering, and that'll be the next after we've done all the bodywork. See you again soon on the next build. Thank you for watching.